Have you ever tried to imagine how to schedule your device to restart in like 30 minutes time or 1 hour time? In this video, I'll be showing you how to schedule a restart of your device or even a shutdown of your device in 2 hours time, in 24 hours time, even in 3 days time. Your device is going to shut down and you can program it using the command prompt. So what you want to do is to start the command prompt, and if you are logged in to that device as a standard user, you want to start it as an administrator. So what you need to do is the following. You want to enter the following command shut down, and then you have to enter arrow, which means restart, or S for shutdown, and then this is going to do the trick. T space. If you entered 0, which means the device is going to shut down immediately. But if you enter 60, just put the 60 seconds is just 1 minute. If I hit enter, I'm going to receive a kind of a message that you can see that it says Windows will shut down in minutes. But I can actually cancel that shutdown by entering the following, and this will shut down, cancel the, oh sorry, I think I'm going to put A like this, and here you can see the log off is cancelled. So right now we can also do the same for like 120 minutes, and if I do this, and this is what is going to happen, you can see it says my Windows will shut down in 2 minutes. So 2 minutes means 60 plus 60 with 60 seconds. 60 seconds is 120 minutes, which is just 120 seconds, which is 2 minutes. But we can also abort using the A command, and then we can shut down this device with the 0 command. Is going to shut down immediately. Let's see what happens. Hit enter, and my device is shutting down. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to like and share my video. And also, you can leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll reply to you in less than 24 hours. Bye.